Hey there everybody, Decaff here with another YSFlight scenery editor video for you. Today I want to talk to you about scaling items. Now scaling can only be applied to a map item, not an individual element within it. So let's go over how we do it. First we're going to have to go ahead and select the item that we want to use. In this case I have an item with 2 polygons inside here. And we're going to go to Object, Map, Scaling. And now what this is going to ask for is a scaling factor in each direction, X in the horizontal and Z in the vertical as it appears on our screen. So one of the things that you can do is go ahead and just type in 10 or something like that. If you want a mirror image around the opposite axis, so let's say we wanted to mirror this item around the Z axis, meaning the vertical of our screen, we'd go into the X scaling factor and hit negative. So if we go in here, then we can see that it flipped around and it worked pretty well there. Now let's say we only wanted to scale one item or one element inside of our map item. So for example, let's say that we wanted to scale the small polygon up here, but we wanted to keep the big polygon in the same orientation. What we can do, let's go back here, what we can do is hit escape a couple times to clear out any menus that might be up, and then once they're gone, hit escape one more time to enable us to select a polygon or an element within an item. In this case we're going to select the one that we want to keep the same. What we're going to do is go to Map, Cut, and that'll cut it out, it'll put it in the clipboard. Now we can go Map, Scaling, and let's say we just wanted to scale this by a factor of 2. Say OK, that's what we want to do. There is our scaling that has been affected. And now we're going to go to Map, Paste, and our polygon will go right back into the place that we left it. So that is a quick little introduction to scaling. If you have any questions, go ahead and throw them in the comment section down below. I'll do my best to answer them real quick. Go in and practice this, fiddle around. There's a lot of cool things that you can do. One last note that I want to make before I leave you to go and have fun with this is that it'll be scaling around the center point of the map item. So the center point is given by the little pink coordinates here. So if we unselect this, we can still see it. It's the little 3-view coordinate thing there. So yeah, that's scaling. Have fun and practice this.